Why is photosynthesis important for human breathing? Imagine a world without plants or trees. No green leaves to soak up sunlight, no fresh air filled with oxygen. It might sound like a scene from a science fiction story, but it's all connected to one simple process called photosynthesis. This process is the reason we can breathe easily and stay alive. Photosynthesis is how plants, algae, and some bacteria turn sunlight into food. They take in carbon dioxide from the air and water from the ground. Using sunlight as energy, they change these into sugars, which they use to grow. As a bonus, they releases oxygen into the air. That oxygen is what we breathe in every day. Most of the oxygen in Earth's atmosphere comes from these tiny green life forms. Ocean creatures like phytoplankton and algae produce more than half of the oxygen we need. Land plants and trees contribute too, but the oceans' contribution is huge. They have been making oxygen for billions of years, helping keep the air balanced for all living things. When we breathe in, our lungs take in oxygen. Our cells then use that oxygen to turn food into energy. This process is called cellular respiration. It produces energy for our muscles, brains, and organs. At the same time, our cells produce carbon dioxide as waste. We breathe out this carbon dioxide, which plants then absorb during photosynthesis. It's a natural cycle that keeps the air clean and fresh. Without photosynthesis, there would be less oxygen in the air. That would make it harder for humans and animals to breathe. Plants also produce the organic materials that animals eat. These materials form the foundation of many food chains. If plants disappeared, the entire web of life would collapse. Photosynthesis also helps protect us in other ways. It contributes to the formation of the ozone layer, which blocks harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun. Plus, plants help control the climate and improve air quality, making our environment healthier. So, in simple words, photosynthesis is the reason we have oxygen to breathe. It keeps the atmosphere full of life-giving air and supports all living creatures. Without it, human life as we know it would not be possible. This process is the foundation of life on Earth, making sure we can breathe, grow, and thrive every day.